Good morning, viewers. I am C.H. Trinath. I am one of the trainer from SchoolNet. Today, I would like to teach you English alphabet. It is taken from 5th class textbook Functional English. For better understanding, I have divided this lesson into 5 small segments. 1. Introduction. 2. What is alphabet? 3. The importance of alphabet. 4. The types of alphabet. And 5th one, reading alphabet. Then coming to the introduction, what is language? Language is a system of conventional spoken or written symbols which human beings express themselves. So, language has two ways of communication system. One is spoken form and second one is written form. Now, we are going to learn writing system. Whatever we want to write, we should know alphabet. Alphabet is nothing but a sign system. Every language has its own sign system. English has ABCD letter system. Students, note the point. A is the name of the letter. It produces various sounds. For instance, in alphabet, we say A, whereas in BAT, bat, we say ya. Next, the importance of alphabet. As we learn, every letter produces various sounds. Every sound belongs to its related letter. So the importance of alphabet is recognizing sounds with letters.
Before learning this sound system, we have to learn how we produce sound. To produce sound, there are two types of airstream mechanism, pulmonic ingressive and pulmonic aggressive. Children, put your hand in front of your nose. Did you observe anything? You are taking and leaving your breath. Am I right?
When a person speaks, when he takes his breath into his lungs, is called pulmonic ingressive. When a person speaks, when he leaves his breath, is called pulmonic aggressive. Most of the languages takes pulmonic aggressive method, as well as English also takes pulmonic aggressive. Children, as we know, English alphabet contains 26 letters. These letters can be divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. These 5 vowels produce 20 sounds, whereas 21 consonants produce only 24 sounds. Based on this, you can understand how important these vowels are. What is a vowel? Voiced air passing through different mouth shapes. While we say these vowels, the air comes freely, without any obstacle. We made the difference between one vowel to another vowel by our mouth shape only. What is the role of the vowel? Before knowing this, we have to know the use of alphabet. The use of alphabet is to make the words. The word is a combination of vowels and consonants. For example, what, diphthong. When I say these words, if you observe clearly, what contains only one vowel. So I speak as one syllable. Whereas diphthong has 2 vowels. So I divided the word into 2 syllables. Do the remaining word. Based on the vowels only, the syllable division follows. Based on the syllable division, we can pronounce the word perfectly. In another video, we will learn syllable division. As we know, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. These vowels produce 20 sounds. These sounds can be divided into three groups: short vowels, long vowels, and diphthongs. With these vowels, some consonants enact as vowels. Those consonants are Y and W. The Y enacts as I, and the W enacts as U. Children, now it is your time to recognize variations in short vowels and long vowels. First, I differentiate what is short vowel and long vowel. Short vowel means when we speak the word, we take the short breath, whereas in long vowel, we take the long breath. I have given various examples for each letter. I read first, then observe it. Then I will give exercise to you. For example, mat, mate. Listen once again. Mat, mate. In these words, the letter A is used, but in first word, I took short breath, whereas in second one, I took long breath. Like that, remaining letters also follow same rule. Observe clearly. I will read once again. Mat, mate. Met, meet. Pin, might. On, mote. Pun, mute. Children, here is few more examples. Please repeat after me. Ken, cane, ken, cane. Plan, plane, plan, plane. Tap, tape, tap, tape. Cat, cage, rat, rate. The remaining section is exercise for you. Practice yourself. Practice of E letter. Bet, beat, bet, beat. Met, meet, met, meet. Pet, peat, pet, peat. Set, seat, set, seat. Children, do the remaining words. Practice of I letter. Lick, like, lick, like. Hid, hide, hid, hide. Slid, slide, slid, slide. Dim, dime, dim, dime. Tim, time, tim, time. Children, do the remaining words. Practice of O letter. Caught, coat, caught, coat. Not, note, not, note. Wrought, wrote, wrought, wrote. Children, do the remaining words. Practice of U letter. Cub, cube, cub, cube. Tub, tube, tub, tube. Hug, hues, hug, hues. Children, do the remaining words. What is diphthong? Diphthong is a word comes from Greek. It means two sounds placed side by side. It glides first vowel to second vowel, and it forms new sound by the combination of both vowels. It is called diphthong. In English, we have 8 diphthongs. Let us practice. Hawk, crawl, hawk, crawl. Straw, claw, straw, claw. Fault, cause, fault, cause. Papa, applause, papa, applause. Brew, chew, brew, chew, cashew, cashew, blue, blue, food, bamboo, food, bamboo, room, taboo, room, taboo. Children, remaining words, please practice yourself. Boil, point, boil, point, coin, noise, coin, noise, decoy, coy, decoy, coy, enjoy, joy, enjoy, joy, how, plow, how, plow, cow, flower, cow, flower, loud, house, loud, house, cloud, pound, cloud, pound. Children, please practice yourself the remaining words. What do you mean by consonant? Unlike vowels, consonants made definite interface with the vocal organs. For instance, say this word B for bike. When we say this B, our lips tightly close sometimes and it releases forcefully, whereas in vowels there is no interface with the vocal organs. Children, this is IPA chart. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. You will learn this in your higher classes. Children, I have given various examples with every consonant. Repeat after me, and some of the words I leave for you, you have to practice yourself. B for baby, best, buy, bring, about, number. C for center, cellar, notice, cake, come, cucumber. D for day, dear, die, door, duty, hidden, lady. F for female, 5, forest, often, deaf. G for game, gap, get, global, giggle, agent, suggest, Egypt, energy. H for help, history, behind, inherit, honest, hair, vehicle, Sarah. J for jam, Jane, jet, jelly. K for kind, kill, kilogram. L for let, live, alone. M for make, men, mind. N for napkin, never, night. P for paper, pick, public. Q for quality, question, quite, unique, picnic. R for rain, red, rise, arrive, hurry. S for send, simple, song, release, cause, present, reason. T for task, tell, time, student. V for vast, vain, vivid. W for wall, war, way, swim, 20. X for exercise, exchange, expect, exam, exact, executive, genome, xerox, xenophobia. Z for zero, Jew, horizon, puzzle, pizza, Nazi. Next, the types of alphabet. In English, we have 4 types of alphabet. print capital letters, print small letters, script capital letters, script small letters. Print letters we see in the books, tablets, computers, and in the mobiles, etc. Whereas script letters we have to use for writing. In the next video, we will practice writing A, B, C, like that. Children, if you want to play with alphabet, you can download Make It app, then open Demo 4 and play the game. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and my special thanks to Naipunya Vikasam team and my DC sir.